What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to celebrate your luggage and your school, check this out. I needed a luggage tag, and I thought, why not celebrate my alma mater? And so I picked this up. It's an officially licensed bag tag, and these are great. The one reason that I actually wanted kind of a unique luggage tag is because, especially when you're checking luggage, a lot of people have the same luggage, and so it can be hard to pick out what is yours, and some people tie ribbon and things like that to the bag to identify it, but I've never seen one of these tags ever, and so I thought, well, that'll help stand out. Nothing a little knife can't solve. So this is a Northwestern bag tag, and it's got this rubberized, multi-piece, multi-dimensional construction, which reminds me a lot of like those cap patches and backpack patches. You can see the black with the purple end there, the registered mark. It's 3 millimeters thick. It's pretty thick. It's got some nice weight to it. It's actually really stiff. I mean, it does flex a little bit, but I actually like that it's that thick and robust because it should hold up pretty well. This piece over here is actually like hard plastic, and then we do have a clear plastic piece right there. To put your own business card in here, you would just kind of push this out. Well, you could fill out this little paper card that's already in there, and I'm not sure if that actually comes out. So you'd have to write it on there, put the plastic back, but I'm just going to slip my business card in there. But it's kind of an interesting setup because this is all, like I said, a hard plastic. Then you have a hole that this goes through, and then what's interesting about this is it's kind of a rubber fake stitching on there, and the way this little loop works is this goes in through there, and you can see these little cutouts, and there are 2 little tabs right there, so you would kind of line them up with like that, and that'll hold it in place, and then push this tip all the way down through there, and then snap it over the little pin right there, so that'll hold it in. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick look at a Northwestern luggage tag. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!